Okay, welcome back. And so let's talk about the file. What is file and what options it is? So the first thing is open a new window. It'll open the new window for you. So right now I have my new window. And you can have in a new process, and a new process, which means on a new RAM, on a new CPU, which is higher speed than already the same window. But it's not necessary sometimes, so don't worry about it. We have the PowerShell in here. Also, we'll talk about it. Change folder insert options is where you can see all the folder insert option settings. Let's go and see it. In general, you can see the general things and the general idea about it. The number one is File Explorer. Whenever it opens, what should it open? As you noticed, when I opened this PC, it automatically opened this PC. Okay, but I can change it. I can change to the quick access. Now let's see. When I open right now, boom, didn't work too much, and it should open this part. I don't know why it didn't work, but maybe it's really the computer is really got some damage. Okay, I'll fix it. In the browse folders is where you can see the how you browse folders, maybe in the same window or on its own window. Your choice. And click items as follows should be single click or double click. I love double click because it's a standard good thing, but I don't like single click because I didn't like its underline icon even. So I'm gonna go with double click. About the privacy, show recently used files in quick access if you like that. So turn it on, and if you don't, just leave it, let it go, let it go. Show frequently used folders in quick access. I really disabled both. As you can see, in quick access, there's just frequent folders, nothing more. And you can also delete them. And also we have the restore button. In the next tab, we have view button. In view button, we have a lot of options to talk, but I'm gonna talk about the simplicity and the beauty of this folder options, not too much. And you can go and you can find out your needs, and you can change and you can modify anything you wanted. About the navigation pan, this part is responsible for this part, the navigation pan. You can show availability status. You can expand open folder. You can show all folders, maybe show libraries. When typing into list view, automatically type into the search box, or maybe select the typed item into the view. You have a lot of options to do. Show checkboxes to select items. If you love that, so check mark that. Show status bar. Show preview handlers in preview pan, sorry. Show drive letters or hide extension for knowing file types. And hidden files and folders. Should it show hidden files and folders or not? If you want that, so just go and choose the second option, and it'll show you all hidden folders, drives, and folders. And if you don't want that, choose option number 1. Show the file size on the folder tips. Show file icon on thumbnails. Always show menus. Now, if you like that, really change the whole thing you want it to. But if not, don't do that. We can apply to the folders, and if you want that, and you can reset folders. You can restore default if you brought some changes and you don't like that. And in search, you can do the search. How to search? You don't use index system. Index is where it really gives the address. It makes the address ready for you, and it really speeds up. But if you check mark this option, so your speed up will go down. And we're searching non-indexed locations, so should it include system directories or compressed file or something? Always search file names and contents. Should it do that or not? It's your choice. Make it right decision. That's all about the folder options, and we have the help and we have the close button, not more. Let me go with this PC, and we'll talk about the computer and view next lecture.